have our Bantu knots that we did the other day. I hope you've watched that tutorial on how we made the Bantu knots. In case you've not watched, kindly make an effort of watching it so that you're able to connect. So the way the Bantu knots are still popping. They're now 2 days old. Just use a bit of coconut oil and water. But it's not compulsory to use coconut oil in this stage. If you feel your hair is having enough oil, then there's no need to use it. Just undo the Bantu knots. You just twist it in opposite direction. If you had twisted your Bantu knots clockwise, now it's time to do it anti-clockwise. Just gently and in no hurry. So it's not hard to undo the Bantu knots, and you see the curls are well defined. Remember to check on the products that we used in the previous tutorial so that you're able to connect well. Just undo them slowly and gently. See the way the curls are well defined. Remember, my hair is 4C type. It's a bit kinky. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section telling us what you think about this tutorial. I like the way the curls are coming out. They're well defined. I was supposed to undo this Bantu knot yesterday. That's a day after I did them, but I was a bit held up. So today is 2 days after that we're undoing it. I hope you've subscribed to my channel. If you've not, kindly subscribe. We're almost done undoing the Bantu knots, and I like how they're coming out. The Bantu knot out is just amazing. The product that I use on my hair, I've also made my hair to be a bit softer, and I like that. So kindly check out the previous video so that you are able to understand what I'm talking about. And don't forget to try it out, please. Try it out and let me know how it comes out in the comment section. How do you like your Bantu knots? A bit bigger or smaller? Remember, if you do bigger Bantu knots, the curls are likely to be a bit loose. But if the knots are tinier, the curls are likely to be tighter or a bit more defined. Now I'll just apply a bit of oil at the edges. I won't apply in the entire hair because my hair is still well oiled, but the edges, because of the turban I was wearing, just have to oil it a little bit. Just use a comb to raise the hair up the scalp a bit. Do it gently. Remember not to be rough. And remember, we're not combing, we're just raising, not combing. You can't comb your hair after Bantu knot, it can be a bit painful. So just raise it a bit. And remember, we don't want to tamper with the curls as well, because getting the curls was the main intention of this hairstyle. Just raise them in the edges. We've already raised it. Now I'll just raise the sides more. This is because of the style that I want to. This is because of how I want to style my hair. If you just want to leave it looking the way it was before, like an afro, then there's no need for raising the sides more. I'll just apply a bit of gel to the sides. Remember, the way you apply your gel depends on the style you want. If you want to tie it up, then you will definitely want a neater sides. There are so many ways of styling Bantu knots out. In this case, I'm just going to give it a high puff. Just clip the hair up so that it won't stab me when I'll be styling. I'll just use a rubber band to tie it up. Remember, you can style your Bantu knots out in any way that you want. Just pull it a bit up to the level that I want. We've already finished styling it. Now I'll just organize the curled parts so that it looks a bit more neat. You see, now it's looking a bit neater. Just apply gel at the edges, the hairline, so that they lie down better, so that it looks even more neat. I'll brush it using my toothbrush after applying the gel. I'll just tie it using a piece of cloth so that the hair lies lower. And see the way it's popping. Let me know what you think about the style, how I've styled my Bantu knot out in the comment section. I think it came out nicely. Or what do you think? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.